But Candy look like the place lock up long time, man, and then stop using.
Yeah, man. A long time the place locked down. That's how we come and stuff to use it. Forward.
So you say I go on and now, Candy?
But the partner me come to talk to you about. That's why me carry up here. So I like if you give me first draft.
First draw.
Because me have something to start out. Me have more than one thing to start out. So I wouldn't mind you can help me. What you can do for me?
Yeah, man, that's no problem. As a matter of fact, me a piece of food in a bus, you know. Me I go get it before we grow on, so you see me? No problem, man. First draw, remember saying you're a friend, you know. Alright.
So differently though. Me see you have new phone and things, like things that go on for you. Me like it. Good. Wow. You have taste though. Pick up yourself, my friend. Who buy it for you?
Between me and you, you know. I want a man, them me I cannot buy for me, you know.
Alright. Okay.
So my next phone mash up and you just hurry up and buy it.
Between me and you, me and your friend. If you stop doing something there, you know, I cannot, man.
And I second down time yet. A matter of fact, let me tell you one story. Worry about them dirty man. Me did there with a man, you see? Just meet him and things, everything will turn out good. The man did married. I mean, you know. One day me I go through his stuff them and me find one wedding paper. When he come from work, me ask him about it. He say no nothing. He always have baby mother out the road on this side. You know tell me. A people they walk me feel shame like a dog. All you said the man there is one woman up there and the woman three pitney them. Why you take me for? Me run him my man. Run him me shame like a dog. Me can't every time I walk on the road me have to hold on my head. That's why me have to the chapter now Candy. Me no want no man use me.
Hold on there. So you really are going to use one man fat and fry every man?
Well, and they can do. Let me tell you the full 100. You see, after me find out me pregnant for him, that's why me did let go of country. I remember tell you I'm pregnant. You see, after me find out me pregnant for him, me say, he just coming like everything done right this song. Me tell him, say me no want hear nothing, the relationship over and all in something. He man not have walk and trick me. Say me go do me this and do me that. But just the good thing about it, every time he do it, me go report it up a station. Tell him if he come out of the house, man, pack up in something them put out there so make him go on. Because if him there with one woman and the three daughter, he don't want me. He not going out there so make him stay out there, man.
You know say true? And enough of them dirty man they out there.
I tell you.
Not everyone. Some of them, but a whole heap of them they out there. Girl, me have story to tell you too.
Tell me.
This is the reason why I single. Girl, and as I say one man, if you fall in a love, so we fall out quick. You're going quick, you come out quick. Me did take up one man. Him look so innocent. Look like I'm in church boy, you know we're ready to go serve God.
Yeah.
Because I'm ready to go give my life to God, you know. You understand? And when we take up the boy, you know, I have to call them kind of man there boy, because good man now do them something. When me take him up, and me and him live, you know, mother take out everything when me have and give him. Him never have it then time they like to give me. So you know say if the man want one high cement on me, Because you see, to me, I say I want to settle down.
Yeah.
But some man no understand settle down. Then just see a road and say, you know, say, I love you and Ray and they tell you how I do me want to stay with forever when they know deep down they're not ready to settle down.
You see? I saw them man you stay. That's why me I continue chopping now. Candy, they come in and tell we nice things because they know say that we want here. And then they have we round and round like a circle. Me not stop, girl. Anything out there when me want and a man can buy give me and pay down for what me want. Me no business. Me no business when nobody wants a chopping time. You can't settle down with them a man a Candy. Them a no good man. Me no cut you. Continue. Tell me how the rest of it go.
Yes. As maybe I tell you about the little dirty man when I did there with before. Girl, me say, if he want ice mint, me give him. Anything at all he want, me give him as long as me have it. This one in my eye.
Anyways, Candy, me not cut you, you know. But guess what? Me want to come from around so you know. Time to find me boundary. And as me tell you, me cannot stop chop. Me understand what me go through and you understand what you go through. We are human, so guess what? You good enough Candy, but you see the heart here turn black. So I chop in non-stop. You can't settle down enough Candy. But you're a good girl, you know. Me I did good girl and me get burned. So I have to just continue this, you see me? Anyways, come on, I remember so me have the partner money for you. Watch out, Candy, watch out. One of them is a call me, you know. You see? Nah, stop chop. The next money when me have for you, it's me I go call you. Hey babes, what's up? You miss me? You're a joker. You know, so me up on the road with my friend. So me if you come over your yard right now? Alright, no problem, me I come. Girl, what me say? Choppings.